Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we are making a delicious pumpkin pie spice that you can use in all your recipes that call for pumpkin pie spice. It's really easy to make and super delicious. The ingredients in this recipe are cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and cloves. And that's it. We're just going to whisk together the ingredients in a small bowl. So first we have 3 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons ground nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoons ground allspice. I think I'll just do 3/2 to make 1.5. Next, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cloves. I think I'll do the same thing, 3/2 to make 1.5. Okay, we're just going to stir or whisk together our ingredients. A lot of times I make it in the container that I'm going to store it in, and I just stir it a little and then I put the lid on and I shake it. I can smell it from here. It smells so delicious. Instead of storing it in here, I'm going to store it in my spice jar. Have a funnel, just scoop it in. Okay, I'm ready to go for my next recipe that I'm going to use pumpkin pie spice. When you use this in a recipe, you can also adjust it to your taste. If you want more pumpkin pie spice, just increase it to 1.5 teaspoons or instead of a teaspoon, or however you like it. You can also adjust the spices to your taste. Try it and look for my other recipes using pumpkin pie spice. I'll see you in the next lesson.